What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We are headed to, I don't know if you can hear me very well, but I got the windows open. I just got off of work. Me and actually a buddy of mine, we work at the same company. We're getting ready to go turkey hunting. It rained all day today. It's rained all day yesterday. It's going to rain the rest of this week. And as you can tell out the window here, it's blue skies. My favorite time to hunt out of all the times in the world, doesn't matter what time of the day is right after rain when the sun pops out. Those turkeys like to get out in the field, strut around, and Nick actually said that he's seen a few turkeys here and there out in fields right before fly up. So I always like hunting new ground, new territory, and seeing how birds work there. Hopefully we can get a turkey down on the ground for you guys, because right now Chris is the only one getting things done for us. But alright, we'll see you then. Yeah, he's right there.
Damn, move.
He didn't go a second.
Oh yeah, baby.
Nice one.
What was that? 25 minutes?
5 minutes. That's how it's done right there.
What time did we get here? It had to have been.
I don't know, but that come on. That was pretty quick. I may give you 45 minutes. That's because we talked for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
It's 5:10.
Yeah, I know.
We got to my house at 4:30.
I know.
We got a bird down. One down. I know we didn't get a whole lot of footage on that, guys. That was fun. It took literally 25 minutes, and called him in. It was a quick hunt and killed him in, like I said, 25 minutes. So we're gonna try to go get on another one. We dropped Nick's bird off at the house, and we're gonna try to go run and gun and try to find some birds gobbling before the night ends. So the rest of this week's supposed to be pretty crappy, so we're gonna try to get on one while the sun is shining.
If we go back there, we can get on that logging road. Technically off the edge, but we're not willing to do that. You think they'll stay in the field?
It's sunny.
I know.
They're gonna want to die off.
Sit right on this edge and see if we can call right into here.
Do
you think you can run to that, or we can we see it all this way?
Can't see out in that corner. It'd be better to sit up here and get him into here.
My fear is me calling. We're gonna peek over that hill and look.
But you can go back in the woods a little bit. It's true.
We can get up there.
If we go over there, then we're closer to where they're probably naturally going anyway.
True. I just don't want them to hug this side or wherever you've seen hens go and just naturally.
Oh, they usually that back there.
All right, let's do that. Let's go this way.
If they were coming forward, they'd be at the corner already.
I wonder if we go to the edge and I hit my call and see if they'll gobble or something.
To go up through here.
Yeah, I think if we can get in that bubble and just kind of entice them to come check us out, I think it'll work. We gotta burn out in this field. I personally think we could go and just follow that tree line around.
Yeah, I'm fine.
But I also don't want to risk it.
Oh, he gobbled. They're coming that way. They're already in the front of that point. Yeah. It's right or too far forward to go try to go around that thing.
Yeah, because I think if we get over there by that time, they might.
By the time we get halfway across, they're gonna be in the corner.
Let me call them. What do you think?
I say let's trade them, but see if they keep coming.
I'm just afraid they're gonna hang up right there in that corner. But I think if they come this far, like if I start seeing them beyond that corner, I'm shutting up. They mustn't look like they're going that way. Then I might throw a couple calls back in there. But otherwise, I'm just gonna let them come.
I've got one hole through here.
You can climb up there and break that. I think if we give him time, he'll come right over here. What was that?
They're still where they were. I think.
He sounds closer, but he sounds like he's on the edge of that field right there, right?
I think he's on the edge of that field coming
I'm not gonna be able to hear you, but I'll let you know when I'm on 'em. I'm on 'em whenever you want. Whenever you want. I'm on 'em.
Think he's gonna come any closer? I can't shoot him now.
Yeah.
I can't shoot him. He's in behind
Okay.
that brush.
Safety's on. Sorry. Oh, safety was on.
I did. I threw the safety back on.
Oh.
You know, I was gonna shoot the one that was gobbling,
Yeah.
but then I saw this one has a bigger beard.
Son of a buck.
It didn't even move. He kicked the foot a little bit. That's right. I just wish it would have been strutting. Well, when they started moving over, when you started saying something, they were behind this thing, and I was like, they're gonna have to come up to this hole, or they're gonna have to come back
I
this
know.
way.
I was like,
Then they
if you-
started coming back this one. I'm like, well, I'm gonna wait for the second bird because he's the one that's gobbling. And then I finally got this one sideways where that big old poof
Yeah.
stuck out. I'm like, oh,
I was
okay,
like,
I'm
I
gonna
was like,
kill you.
I was like, if you can kill him, kill him. And I didn't want to.
I heard you.
I didn't want to peek my head up and down.
Right.
And
That's the first turkey I've killed in a while. I could have killed him. That would have been a perfect bow situation too, though, except for getting drawn.
I think my GoPro died on me.
Did
It was
it?
like at 4% when they were coming around that corner. How far is that? 40? I knew that they passed that gate, and I was like, he's in range. Kill him whenever
Oh
you
yeah,
can.
I knew he was in range. It was just in this brush.
That worked out like a charm.
That did. Well, and that's what I mean. We had the elevation here when he comes around that corner, and it's thick enough there that they can't really see anything.
Well, as you guys could see, I didn't get any footage up there, but if you can see that little clump of trees right there, as Jeff and I were walking across, we seen these birds just the peak, like the tips of their heads, and we knew, like, he's been seeing them come through just naturally through here, and so I knew that, you know, we had to get around and come up on this side, or at least get on that side of them, but I didn't think there was no way we could get on that side. So Jeff and I came up here, and the only thing that kind of had me skeptical of sitting out here on the field edge was we didn't have a decoy, but as you guys could see, they came around gobbling, screaming, and got within 40 and killed one. That's 2 in 2 days.